Every success in the health and beauty industry begins with meticulous attention to every detail. At OD INNOVACÖSMEX, we are a comprehensive one-stop service manufacturers specializing in cosmetics and dietary supplements. Established in 2008, we have been the trust manufacturing partner behind the growth of numerous leading brands in Thailand and across international markets. Because we don't simply create products, we build confidence for your brand. As an OEM and ODM manufacturing partner, we go beyond being a factory that merely manufactures according to specification. We also develop innovative formulations and create new products from the group up, enabling your brand to stand out, differentiate itself, and complete successful in today's dynamic marketplace. We provide end-to-end consultations and support, beginning with research and product development. Our collaborations with leading research institutions, including the Thailand Institutions of Scientific and Technological Research, ensures that every formulation is backed by scientific evidence and validated data. In addition, we carefully source premium ingredients from around the world, conduct efficacy and safety testings in accordance with international standards, design packaging, manage product refrigerations, and oversee manufacturing through advanced technology. This ensures that every product we deliver represents quality that is truly measurable and verifiable. At OD INNOVACÖSMEX, our manufacturing capabilities cover a wide range of product formats, supported by state-of-the-art machineries and S1 production system. Support adherence of product formats, including soft gel, tablets, capsule, gummy jelly, liquid supplements, and powder products. To guarantee excellence at every stage, our products undergo rigorous microbiological, chemical, and quality control testing. Our operations are conducted under international recognition standards, including GHP, ISO, HACCP, FDA, and halal certification. This commitment ensures that every product leaving our facility is of exceptional quality, fully traceable, and ready to compete in global markets. At OD Group, we are building more than just manufacturing facilities. We are creating a green manufacturing campus where energy, nature technologies, and qualities of life can grow together sustainably. Our vision is to evaluate Thailand manufacturing standard and establish a future-ready green industrial hub that support ESG principles, sustainability goals, and global partnerships. To support renewable energy adoptions, our facilities are equipped with solar energy systems that reduce dependence on fossil fuels and help lower carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 250 to 400 tons annually, the equivalent of planting tens of thousands of trees each year. At the same time, we prioritize smart water management through a smart water treatment and recycling system. Treated water is reused for landscaping and green space throughout the campus, minimizing water wastage and support principal circular resource management. OD INNOVACÖSMEX has also received recognitions on the international stage through prestigious innovations awards, including Innovation Exhibition in Germany, Silicon Valley Innovations Competitions in the United States, Geneva International Exhibitions of Innovations in Switzerland. This achievement reflects our expertise in innovations, scientific product development, and evidence-based solutions that help brands earn consumer trust and achieve sustainable growth in global markets. From inspirations to products that thrive on the global stage, today we are ready to be trust partner to stand alongside your brand, supporting every step towards success and transforming every ambition into an international standard. Let's build your brand and shape the future together. OD INNOVACÖSMEX, your partner to global success.